What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to jump out of pocket. We mostly do shoes, but we also have talked about expanding. Now, what we're actually going to be doing today is something that we've actually been doing that for a while, and that's belts. We're going to show you one of our most popular belts, the Reserve. Now, this room is actually our Southern Polished room. This is where we make our sandals, and our team makes a lot of our leather goods. We get to take advantage of these big old tables. So just, one more view from another perspective. Now, the leather we're using is full grain leather. It's an English bridle. And what full grain leather is simply, it's the best type of leather. Imperfections on the leather, they're not sanded and buffed out. It is the thickest, it's the hardest, it's the most long-lasting type of leather you could get. So full grain leather, that's what you want.
This is beeswax that I'm melting now down into helps to give it a slick look and make the fibers of the leather lay down.
So a lot of times once you've slicked with water or whatever you're going to use to actually slick it down, and you put beeswax on it and you slick that down, you'll get a little bit of residual wax. So what I like to do is go over it with a piece of canvas. It's been rubbed down with a little bit of glycerin soap. And that helps the friction will melt the rest of that in there and really give it a good shine. So. All right, so that is our Reserve belt. The buckle is actually a harness buckle that you actually would see on mules, draft horses, the collars. That's how you fasten it. And then the hooks are adjustable, and those are modeled after our take of the M1907 rifle sling that saw World War I, World War II. If you're an outdoorsman, those are actually coming soon, so look out for those. But this belt is adjustable and it fits up to 9 different sizes. So that's why on our website it actually says 2 sizes, but each one of those carries 9 sizes. So it's a very versatile, very classy. You can wear it with jeans. You can dress it up, dress it down. It's a good looking belt. It's actually it's our best seller. It's my favorite. If you're interested in getting one of our belts or any of our other leather goods or any of our leather care products, then check out potterandsons.com and hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, and so other people can learn about these belts. We appreciate y'all watching. Until next time, y'all have a good one.